Alright, we'll give you another subdivision out here at Venetian Bay. There's several out here. This is a D.R. Horton subdivision. And just kind of want to show you, it's a unique subdivision. The only one in Volusia County that I know of that the garages are on the back of the property. They have 3 lots left out here. They do have inventory homes out here, but I'm going to drive down this next street here. Actually, we'll go down the other one. Let's see here. I want you to kind of see what I'm talking about. That's the front of the house, and then here's a back alley where your home, where you would pull into your garage, they're actually on the back. You have small yards to take care of, but they're quaint. See, this one has a little pool, which is cool. So it's not a whole lot of area to take care of. And the neat thing is that typically and there's another nice little area how they did that. When they set the garage on the side where the pool, or where the actual little lanai is going to be. So basically you have a nice little private setting for your lanai. And none of that property there can be built on. It's all Florida land where they don't let you build on it, the conservation land. And they get some homes in here for sale, or you can buy new construction. New construction in here is very reasonable. I would say somewhere from $180 to $250. Great home for somebody, especially if they want to get into Venetian Bay. Venetian Bay is one of the more or one of the nicer communities in Volusia County. It's in New Smyrna Beach, it's between the city of New Smyrna Beach and Port Orange, and it's just a great area to live in. But you could easily get into one of these homes from $180 to $250, depending on what size. And they have all sizes out here. And then they have a whole entire new subdivision out here that's going to be starting. They've actually already started selling homes in there. But they only have 3 lots left in here. The nice thing about D.R. Horton, they have inventory lots, or they have inventory homes. So basically, you can come out here and where a lot of people would be buying a brand new home and starting from the ground, you can buy a brand new home where the slab has already been started and be in it in 3 to 4 months. A lot of the other builders do not have inventory like that because they just build on demand. So what that basically does is it moves up the time, so that you can get into your new home right away. And they have all kinds of different inventory homes. There's one that just recently sold, and we sell a lot of them out here. They're very aggressive with sales. They have specials all the time. Like, of course, towards the end of the year, which that's what this is. They have specials where they'll pay all your closing cost, $4,000 in upgrades. Just crazy, some of the deals that they have. There's another sold one. We just had clients out here recently. If you look up in other videos, you'll see 2 of the floor plans. They have like 5 different floor plans out here. They're all the same on the inside, as far as the floor plans go, and you can read the ones that are named up above in the channel. But the outside, the exteriors change. They typically have 3 to 4 different elevations per floor plan. So that basically tells you that if you look at one of their floor plans and you like it, and then but you want a different elevation, typically they have a different elevation. I want to drive you over here now. This is an area that is the center of Venetian Bay. So I'm going to put this in a different video.